Hello friends, in this short and basic video, today we will learn how to insert Venn diagram in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. So I will show you in PowerPoint and press process and setting is same. So firstly click on insert, this insert tab, and here click on this smart art. Here you will see these all options. You have to click on this relations and click on this basic Venn diagram and click on OK. Now click on this text pen. You can add your text. You need more, so press enter. You can remove and delete by pressing backspace on keyboard. You can make some different color, so change color and select your required color. You can recolor pictures in smart art graphic. Also you can add text box, so insert and text box and draw your text box and type your text here. Select your text box, so double click on it on text box. And in this shape format, select no outline and shape fill, no fill. So you can add this text box to this diagram. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you, and guys, same settings in Microsoft Word you can create this diagram.